guys, Assalamualaikum. As you can see, today I am here at CIS, and today my ride is this one. Yeah, Ducati Multistrada V4S. Yes, so this is a brand new, just released few days ago, and you've seen in my vlog that I was unboxing this one. So we brought here in CIS for braking and for the track review. Yeah, so this is comes with a V4 engine, and it's produced 170 horsepower. So it's not like a, you're expecting like a, when you hear the V4, you're expecting like a, the Street Fighter or the Panigale, but it's not. But they actually tune it for sports touring bike. So it's an amazing engine. They tuned the engine, and everything is changed. All you can see my winglets, all the things I will show you one by one in a while. So just look at the beauty. Yeah boys, here is a lineup for Ducati today. So I will be trying all of them, and you seen I was reviewing the R, S and the Street Fighter. So today is a Multistrada V4S and probably that Hyper. So here I am with the mga malupit na mechanics from Ducati, and here is Kuya Leo is there with with his amazing camera, and here is one of my friend. Here is Dan, and here is a Ducati paddock, and here is a sales manager. Pangalan mo bro? 30. Oh, dito si Diego, marketing manager. So yeah, so here is our Ducati paddock. So I will be showing.
Hi guys. Atat. Ito mga group Indian Motors. Hi sir. They are on breakfast ride. Yeah. Indian Motors. There is Atat also there, and there is a Indian, and if you want to check it out, just to go to Access Plus and check it out, the Indian motorcycle. Dito si Ma'am Joy. Joy Alberto. Ito si Ducati Indian.
So let's go. I am with Angelo Ilagan. So I will let him try the V4S. Let's go and do some review about this beast. New tire. So new tire boys. So let's do some small review about this one, how I feel on the racetrack. So let's warm up. Let's do some warm up this bike, because it's a new tire. You cannot push the new tire because it's modular, and it's a 2 million worth of bike. So let me do some warm up this bike first before do some things here in this bike. Let's do some warm up. Yeah, anyway boys, here is Ducati Multistrada V4S. Wow, yung power, grabe iba. Ibang power ito ng motor, grabe. It's like very smooth the throttle, but when you reach in the 4000 rpm, it's actually It's like flying. So let's go. Let me see Angelo. Angelo is behind. Let me warm up our gulong first. Grabe. Sarap talaga ito ng bike. The traction is working perfectly. The traction 1 only here. We didn't put even traction 2 or 3. It's only 1, but I just want to warm up the tire. So let's warm up, and I will give you more update about this one. Actually, this is only for my track test, so I will give you the specs and everything when I am riding on the street. But this is, I just can show you how powerful and how easy this bike on the racetrack. So let's yung power dito ng motor. That is Angelo. Mga newbies on the front. Three laps I have to do some, warm up this bike. So after 3 laps I'll just push a little bit. Whoa guys, no words talaga this bike. This bike is the best Ducati sports touring bike I tried. No the other bikes, the one I tried, grabe, iba talaga ito ng bike ito. Sobrang stable yung suspension. Sobrang stable yung suspension. Parang you riding a sports bike. Sobrang stable ito. I need to warm up the gulong guys. So dahan-dahan muna tayo kundi before put the traction and everything. Go boy. Go. Grabe yung bike ito. The power of Ducati flying. Grabe. Flying boy, this bike is flying. Imagine if you change the exhaust and everything. It will be awesome. Sarap. See the power. The brake, grabe. The Ducati braking system is something else, guys. No words to say. And there is mga malupit na Team Kirat. That is Jet, Lean Jet. Jet, dali ka Jet. Boys, grabe yung power ito. Boy, go. Grabe. I'll give you more update about this one in a while, guys. Let me go through this one because there is some traffic. You know, when there is a traffic, you won't enjoy. Yeah, here is Angelo Ilagan. Subscribe Angelo Ilagan. So his channel, subscribe to channel. So I will go one more time on the racetrack and give you little bit about this bike. And the bike is actually, I will give you little bit because I want to do the street review soon. So here is actually the bike. This is a Multistrada V4S. There is a V4, V4S and V4S Sport. So there is a 3, and this is comes with lots of winglets, and there is a quick shifter on the auto blip, and here is Öhlins electronic suspension, and even the front and electronic everything is electronics, guys. And the TFT LC display is something else I never seen any bike, because you feel like, you know, it's like a iPad. Yeah, really the TFT look like an iPad. So look at here, guys. So see the TFT Multistrada V4R. The TFT is totally different. So amazing. Grabe yung quality ng yung TFT. So there is two kinds of displays coming, so I will give you more update about this one when I am on the street, not in the racetrack. Racetrack I can give you little bit only, because you know this is not a sports bike. So I will give you a little bit more update when I am on the street. So let's go and do some banging and all the stuff. So let's roll. Grabe yung power ng the engine ito. This is actually the normal. The Enduro 1260 comes with a 152 horsepower. This is actually comes with a 170 horsepower, guys. Yeah, dagdag horsepower dito. Tapos they tune very well the engine. The engine is very smooth and very powerful. Grabe yung bike ito. Very powerful, and the braking and the cornering ABS working perfectly on this bike. Grabe. Sarap talaga ng itong bike. You can actually lean the bike how far you want. But I am not going to do some knee drag and all, because it's a new 2 million worth of bike. So let's do some chill ride and give you update about this bike. I don't want to crash this bike. It's a brand new. And the good thing about this bike, guys, in Southeast Asia, Philippines got the V4S. No other countries. Philippines, malakas. Ducati, malakas. We got the first V4 Multistrada in Southeast Asia. Something else, no? Should be proud. Grabe yung bike dito. All footrest is touching in the floor. Of course, you cannot change the rear set because it's touring. See how stable this bike. Grabe yung bike ito. Sobrang stable ng bike ito. There is no question at all why Ducati said this is the best bike they made. No question at all, because this bike is working perfectly. Everything, no wobble at all, no delay. When you open the throttle, the bike will fly. That is a newbie. No question at all. Wow, how powerful this bike is and how stable this bike is. Look at this, guys. You can actually lean this bike with one hand. Look at here, the bike is lean and you can actually lean with one hand. How stable this bike. Grabe. You can actually lean the bike with one finger. You can even say one finger. that much stable, this bike on the corner. Grabe, sarap talaga ito ng bike. Look at here, you can actually lean the bike in one finger. Yeah, even only one finger you can actually lean the bike. See? Grabe, very stable guys, this bike. Why I am showing this one in one hand? Why I am showing this one? Because you are into so many ridings in different places, and you need to know the bike is stable. And I am telling you guys, this is something else. It is very stable in any place, and the electronics work perfectly any corner. The traction is only, I put a traction 1. The traction 1 is very low, but the bike is working perfectly any corner, and the ABS working perfectly also, cornering ABS. And you can really feel when you touch the brake, you can really feel the ABS is working perfectly. Sir Ducati, Artotti, and Ducati boy. After this few laps I did, it's an amazing bike guys. I didn't expect that, you know, the sports touring bike actually this much perform on the racetrack. This is actually something else. This is the first time I had experienced the touring bike this much of stable on the racetrack, and powerful and smooth, very smooth. This bike is actually very smooth. I tried different Multistrada 950 and 1260 and all. I tried most of the Multistrada I tried, but this one is something totally different from any bike I tried on the Multistrada family and other touring bikes, other brands. This is very smooth, very smooth entry. When you close throttle and when you enter, it's not aggressive actually. The Ducati, actually you can see Ducati is torquey. This is torque is there, but it's very smooth. I don't know how they tune the engine this much of smooth. So when you throttle, it's not actually aggressive, but when it's reached like a 4000 rpm, the bike will actually fly. Yeah, the bike is flying like a, you know, jet plane. You can just say that, like a bullet. It's flying 4000 rpm, the bike is flying. So this is something first time I experienced here on this bike. This is V4S. Actually the V4S comes with the, you know, the electronic suspension and so much of electronics settings and everything. But I will talk about the 3 variant of the V4 Multistrada while I am riding on the street. But this is grabe, iba talaga. When you can see when I am leaning the bike, You can see how stable this bike, not even bounce, not even little, it's not bouncing. Any bike I tried is actually bounce, but this is no bounce at all. This going perfectly, very stable. Even any speed you drive, this very stable. This bike is amazing. Grabe. No words, guys. You know, this is you guys have to try if you are into, you know, Ducati and touring bikes. This is something else you will experience in your. This is the best bike Ducati made. Really, even Ducati saying they made the best bike on 2021. This is a bike they put their heart here in this bike. Everything, no heat at all, no heat is coming out. Grabe, iba yung experience ko dito. I have a plan for some bikes, but I think this is going to let me forget those bikes planned. This is actually something else.
Yeah boys, actually I am not going to finish this review today because as you've seen, I actually got slide somewhere in a small racetrack. So for today my track review is this much only. So you will be seeing this one on the road soon. So I will see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching.